you want stackable storage that you can build in minutes. I've got 4 stacks of shelves, and these have side doors, a lid, a securing bezel, the beautiful fluted front doors. So you're gonna open up all sides and get them to stand up nicely. Grab your securing bezel and work that on, like that. Grab your lid, and then secure the clips on the side, like that. And you're done with level 1. This is a movable, secure storage with different entry points, side, front, and top. So lovely. So just repeat that 4 more times, like that. Beautiful. But we need wheels. Take one of them, right off, flip it over, and take your wheel brackets, put them in the corners, like that. It's just too easy. Wheels just slide right in. They're very secure and they're gonna stay in there. And they also have locks on all of them. Now stack your boxes on here with the sides undone. Now when you're all done with that, you are coasting. So these snap themselves together, like this if you're using singles, or doubles and it snaps them all together. It's just too easy. So this would be great in a garage, a baby's room, dorm room. You're getting 4 bins with each of them storing 120 quarts in volume. And I just love how easy access everything is with the side doors. Fluted, clear, gray design is so beautiful and modern. It's not ugly containers that you're stuck looking at. This is awesome. They're very easy to move and fully customizable for what you need. And I just really can't get over the size of them. Look at this. Huge. Each door is magnetic, so it's going to stay closed and close easily. And each storage bin can be used on its own. So these are my favorite storage bins. This is my second set. So obviously I highly recommend.